BMW dumps chrome in favor of illuminated design for new EV lineup. BMW is moving away from chrome accents in its next generation of electric vehicles. EVs, dubbed the new class, replacing them with integrated lighting and illuminated cabin features. This marks a significant shift in automotive design, signaling a move toward digital expression and enhanced nighttime visibility. A step away from traditional luxury for decades, chrome has been synonymous with high-end car aesthetics. However, BMW's design team believes light-based design better conveys the technological foundations of the new class models. The change has been phased in, starting with the second-generation iX3 SUV and continuing with the upcoming i3 sedan, both of which feature chrome-free exteriors. Instead of chrome surrounds, LED light strips now define key areas like the iconic double-kidney grille. Even the badges have been redesigned, eliminating chrome rings and crossbars. Sebastian Kroes, head of interior design for BMW New Class, explained the decision. "We have reduced the chrome step by step, and we thought this is definitely the right way to go." The rise of ambient lighting the interior will also see an increased emphasis on ambient lighting. Materials will be chosen to allow illuminated patterns to shine through cabin panels, enhancing the user experience both day and night. Mr. Kroes highlights this point. Chrome doesn't work at night, light does. The illuminated design isn't just aesthetic, it's functional. The car can now welcome drivers with a light-based startup sequence. Competition and timing. BMW's decision stands in contrast to other luxury brands. Mercedes-Benz is preparing to launch a GLC model with a chrome-heavy grille, while Audi has previously incorporated light LED design elements, though not to the same extent. The 2027 i3 will be the first fully electric 3 Series model, a key product line for BMW. This shift is part of a broader strategy. BMW plans to release 40 new or updated models by 2027, many of which will adopt the new class design language. Production of the i3 begins in August 2026, with global markets, including Australia, receiving deliveries in early 2027. The move away from chrome reflects a larger trend in automotive design, where brands are increasingly using lighting to express technological advancements and enhance the driving experience. This change isn't simply about aesthetics. It's about creating a more dynamic and interactive relationship between the vehicle and the user.